This 2016 Jayco Jay Feather SLX 264 BHW is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 29 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 10, oven, TV antenna, smoke detector, spare tire kit, refrigerator, self-contained, LP detector, auxiliary battery, microwave, water heater, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Jayco Jay Feather SLX 264 BHW is 4,688 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.